Okay guys, welcome to my channel by Haki Tutorial. Okay, today we can make NFT design with AI technology. So before I make tutorial, you can see this link. I can put it in description. So we start. The first, you can click this button NVIDIA SMI ini. So you can click and click runway in your computer. Keep runway and is Indonesian language. So you can click runway. Okay, we wait until this loading finish. Okay, finish. So we scroll in the button. Now you can choose this one. You can click this button again until you can see this check. Okay, finish. So we scroll number 2 and we click this button again. We click. So we wait until finish. Okay, finish. If finish, you can see this check, this green check in. So we scroll again and number 3, you can click this button and we wait again until finish. Okay, finish. We scroll again and this is most important. This text you can change what you want to make design. So this is I make fantasy world in the sea by Arnold. And heck, you can choose 300 or other, you can see, and this is I can change. So if you finish, you can click this button. Okay, finish and scroll. You can choose number 5 and we start to make design from this world and can change to design images. We click this button. Okay, you must wait until image show in your computer. Okay, this image start show in my computer. Okay guys, this image start show in my computer. This is, you can see and we wait until finish. So if you want to download this image, the first you right click in your mouse, right click, and you can choose save image. So this is I use my Indonesia language. So if you have English language, you can right click and choose save. Okay, I want save. I will name it Fantasy World in the Sea. Okay, save. This is still loading because many images if I make this my computer. Okay guys, this image is from my keyword disease, and this is Cheng image disease, you can see, and you can save images again. Right click and click save. I will save disease. I will save again, and disease I will save again. Okay guys, I think finish my tutorial, and you can ask me if you don't know about this tutorial. Okay, thank you.